type of people and energies that we navigate every day and that we meet every day. Trust me, I meet a lot of people. I meet a lot of men. I meet a lot of women. I meet a lot of people in this industry. I meet a lot of people that want to collab, that want to do a lot of stuff. But at the same time, I'm very discerning as far as, and like I said, this bundle right here, you do not have to be in a relationship. This is just in general, because you can have a trauma bond with a friend. With a friend, if you guys don't better each other and you guys are just okay with doing stuff that doesn't help you, then that's a trauma bond, because a friend would want to help you elevate. You guys will have something to feed off each other, so that way you can elevate. But if you just hanging with somebody, like I can say I used to have a friend that we had a trauma bond, and we used to just drink all the time and just club and just, and it just wasn't nothing healthy for me, nothing that I can grow from or nothing that I can get out of it. So that right there is what I consider a trauma bond, because what are we doing? We're just like wasting space at this point. Like we just wasting space at this point. So that is the Love Without Trauma bundle. That right, like I said, on the website, if you hit the QR code in the top left corner, my side, and then also if you go to the website, thecuniverse.com, that'll also be able to take you to that website, so that way you can download that toolkit. Now let's go to the Parent Peace Pack. That is the one yesterday that I was actually talking about yesterday when my son was actually in the background of the webinar. That is the Parent Peace Pack. This pack right here is oh my God, I love this pack because I use a lot of these tools in this pack as far as emotional regulation, gentle parenting, as far as being detached and strategizing in silence. This pack right here, like I said, is one of my favorite ones. Let's go ahead and is one of my favorite ones because I'm a parent, right? And I feel like a lot of parents don't really know how to regulate while healing, while trying to live, while trying to take care. You know, it's just a lot going on as a parent. Don't even let me get into the parents that are business owners. It's just a lot going on with me and a parent. So that way, that's why I created this, because I realized with just me, again, I'm inexperienced. Like all this stuff, like I feel like I'm my first test subject, and I'm cool with it because I see the benefits. I'm a living testimony. Boom, 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 boom. I use these tools myself. So, like I said, I'm a reformed crash out. I used to yell. I used to do all this stuff. My nervous system was not regulated. I used to just react so much and just not listen. It was just, it just wasn't a fun time, right? For me or the child. So I realized that, something has to change. And at the same time, I would realize I was moving off of a way that